MDX has always been known for its blend of fun-to-drive performance, a premium cabin, and stylish looks. While it may not quite reach the over-the-top luxury of some rivals, the MDX offers exceptional value for its price. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Now, we're excited to dive into the all-new 2025 Acura MDX, the flagship SUV from Acura and the best-selling 3-row luxury SUV ever. Stay tuned. Acura hasn't strayed too far from the winning formula for 2025, but they've made some key improvements. The exterior gets a subtle refresh with a new mesh grille design, darkened accents, and new 20-inch wheels. But the biggest changes happen inside. Say goodbye to that frustrating touchpad infotainment system. The 2025 MDX boasts a brand new 12.3 inches touchscreen featuring Google built-in, making connectivity and entertainment a breeze. The MDX's cabin continues to impress with a premium feel, especially in higher trims that offer stitched leather and beautiful wood accents. Acura hasn't forgotten about comfort either, with heated front seats, automatic climate control, and plenty of space for passengers in the first 2 rows. While the 3rd row is better suited for kids, the MDX remains a versatile option for families on the go. Tech lovers will rejoice at the 2025 MDX's upgrades. The new 12.3 inches touchscreen with Google built-in puts everything you need at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and a more functional center console with wireless charging keeps your devices powered and organized. Every 2025 MDX comes with the latest Acura Link system, featuring in-vehicle Wi-Fi, over-the-air software updates, and a suite of cloud-based services like emergency assistance and remote unlock. This ensures you're always connected, secure, and in control. The 2025 MDX offers 2 engine options. The standard MDX packs a punch with a 290 horsepower V6 engine, while the sporty MDX Type S boasts a thrilling 355 horsepower turbocharged V6. Both engines come paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. The 2025 Acura MDX and MDX Type S are hitting dealerships nationwide this May. So, if you're searching for a luxurious, tech-savvy, and fun-to-drive SUV, the MDX is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.